In Malawi, access to hygiene and sanitation facilities remain a huge problem, especially in public primary schools. Statistics indicate that 80% of Malawi's population has challenges to access safe drinking water. The situation is even more challenging to get water for cleaning and other hygiene activities at the schools. Lack of hygiene and sanitation facilities in the schools affect girls during menstruation and has forced some girls to drop out of school. Music Crossroads Malawi has stepped in to help change the situation by rendering assistance to Lilongwe-based Mlodza Primary School. With financial assistance from area Metropolitana de Barcelona through Petit's Music's Del Mon in Spain, Music Crossroads Malawi has constructed a girls' toilet with the necessary sanitation facilities. Girls at the school will no longer miss classes because of menstruation, as Music Crossroads Malawi has also equipped them with the skills on how to make reusable sanitary pads. Music Crossroads Malawi Executive Director Matthew Zimfune is optimistic many lives of girls will be transformed.
Music Crossroads Malawi works with the young people. It's actually a youth organization that works with young people, using the power of music and the creative arts, to empower young people. We believe in a holistic approach to education, and that providing a conducive environment. So Music Crossroads Malawi, in partnership with the Petit's Music's Del Mon from Spain, mobilized resources to provide for a toilet facility, a modern toilet facility. We are actually promoting menstrual hygiene among girls, as promoting the quality environmental friendly facilities for girls in primary schools. We need to provide the necessary facilities. Sanitation facilities at each place is a must for young people not to absent themselves from school because they cannot find proper facilities, especially the girl child. Sometimes when they are in their periods, they can't go to school because the toilets, the facilities are not conducive for their child. So I really appeal to everybody in Malawi to contribute something towards the improvement of the health facilities in our schools.
Another great initiative that Music Crossroads has done is to facilitate introduction of special course on menstrual management at the school to ensure girls continue going to school during menstruation. On the question of sustainability of the toilets, the organization has engaged school authorities and parents to ensure the facilities are clean, hygienic and well maintained. To instill a culture of practicing hygienic habits, Music Crossroads Malawi has also impacted knowledge in learners to help them grow into responsible citizens. In his remarks, Primary Education Advisor for Ngwenya Zone, Lilongwe Urban, Kriston Pondakwao, expressed happiness for the donation, saying it will help empower many girls to aim high and counter challenges from male peers.
I'm just very happy as the Minister of Education representative. We have been having challenges with a girl child, mainly those that have reached puberty. When they discharge them monthly period, it has been a challenge for them. As a result, there have been a high number of girls that have been dropping out, absenting themselves, mainly when they are in this time where they are menstruating. But now, with this structure, we feel this will reduce dropout rate of girls and even absenteeism. And as a result, we will have at least a very good percentage of girls at this school, Mlodza.
Whenever they are in periods, most of the girls were coming to school late. They were even absenting themselves. But now, this is history. We want to see it back.
Music Crossroads Malawi aims at empowering youths through music and arts and has been working with Mlodza Primary School since 2009. Under this more educated, more free project, Music Crossroads aims at improving the state of sanitation and hygiene at Mlodza Primary School to ensure more girls enroll and remain in school. Access to education, clean water, health is every child's right.